Utie oha extra punk no.
Needs FM.
New York chairman. Eye Bafo Jawu. Entwitwe komo kakra. Chairman Bafo Jawu yamu ha.
You go mejo so mini.
Chairman na anopai awie etesen e wo New York.
Nyame adaroma.
You. Reports come through say wo when you organize amwo New York. Mona mako organize enipa bi amwo mako use vulgar language, violate disrespect the Ghanaian presidency. Our New York Montana so ama a rival group and so our costume New York Police Department and a separate here. Tama unimu we hu bibi.
Yo, evidence will be a question. Please meet me as I did the record straight. Me nim your culture say Yako organizing for say Omunkunku YouTube Bogalam. DSC NSA. Yan permit see a park of demonstrating and I could protest it, which is our constitutional right to do. And your coin, a lot to the Amaya. Your coin and uncle for me or that. Continue me drew on a bit almost say, you drew in a because to face the country. Make that fix the country now on Pachem said, and no pen yet fix the country, now the government. Catachem, Sano Catchem was the government. Into a kind of member and carry any free home, any and empty space in home. She call empty space, and now maybe free home, and I be called police home. And I'm a catcher almost say, yeah, any because earlier in the morning, no, the code to west before me could be sure say, you did go, and I feel so much saying to be a best. You may call an argument, I agree. And I hear call an empty space. We free or no, and I call police for more catcher say, this is what I'm seeing here. And to while I'm over, and government and nothing call for any people. I'm calling them government because that's what they told me. I don't catch it from the government. And almost about and the police phone anymore on that. And the visa almost say, permit way. And our police phone share, you know. Yeah, I do register. I don't know boss, Eddie. And our police in class one for payment and I'm not going to that. And I maybe even payment and it's journal. It's a bit of no more in the water. And a police for catch him say, and yet no, you know, info, and a police for nearby. It's your plan, and I about the catch home so free. Now, I'm going to tell you, if I get it. And you call for no apple, a gas of because permit no, your time are as a mobile. And your term where as a mobile. And the movement near and be as a mobile. Because they catch all more permits in the crowd, so 1 o'clock on the I know more on what now. And you catch almost say, almost call lot 6, no more ballot 1. Then the time I got to win no money free and almost for you, almost the start activity here. Make round about could be Germany. I catch him say, me find a chapel, or catch him say, and I catch a member of second year. Now, police for now, I catch him with a free uncle, and the end of it's a problem, they say. But you are my back and forth, and then your own video, maybe you'll be a big you know, and to say, organize to come and use all that language to attack the government that are here. No, that was not the intention. The intention is legitimate demonstration and not a protest. We had our permit, any before. And we were not there to use all the language to displace and say, to bring the government down and ask to disgrace the government. And there are no any intention. And they said things are not right in the country. More money has been borrowed. The government now borrowed.
But me and Bibi, a chairman. Chairman, what that room? Chairman, Chairman, what that room? Near Pessi who say, New York branch chairman at Tejo, na honum under the auspices of NDC, and now say under the auspices of Fix the Country.
No, organizing and organizing you. Almost a concern Ghanaian. And this is also a concern. And you will be. Until I make as a member call on everything on Mujiano. One of the two platforms you should have a take. And said your bear, you don't go, you go like I'm stupid. I went there earlier to make sure that it's genuine. And I'm verify on which they be a buyer before. It's a order homework. And I may call it into the member call as an NDC, as a Ghanaian. Yeah, NDC for also pay a Ghana for the boy.
Okay, into your king, yeah, a lot, a year space 1 at the a year concerned Ghanaian, and a year lot space 6 at the a year pro government grouping. Identity and misunderstanding as to why they call lot 1, why they call lot 6. No, etimima ye eba emi akasa Ghana for mienu na atwa ye ho e wa abroach New York yi.
Well, and you said that we say your friend is there, so I said the reason because the catcher and say what go wrong please move free or not the bufu because study kind of yeah for no na you say go here yeah put the call kind of catch him say a government you know my yeah to kwa na bia you free echo lot 6 months from there no I'll say that yeah police no catch home say the SC ni go no check you know my yeah to kwa until the police for the buy e catch home to move you and no mo bufu yet that is to move dia it's sanity.
Now organizer and your friend is saying
the organizer no New York organizer no every president Washington.
Onu from Washington.
Yeah.
Your friend is saying Chairman was because the entire me busa say your friend is saying no relate to a language na o use on sen krana na worker and na face was aka choco. Into beer we need to find out that what is about choco and here who person here derogatory comment here obi a obeka se kofa ni free choco and the number na face so no ube choose to use your friend saying Ghana language you know and na the accent and your person busa say your friend is saying ana oyedi ni
Joe, talk already. Almost all you people can say. And then the party catcher and the show of you don't talk on about it. And the man that is all kind of thing. You know what kind of say you don't talk on about because also for the big catcher they don't talk on about it. And don't see the man you said yes, almost talk. Now yes, be our use that. Okay. The great for the talk and I say it.
Na adentina abontene ho ye na aba enso so no pictures a mensa kan no one MPP fo nyina so ejirejina ho atwitwa pictures kama nti adenti ana mu be ya nuanom agina ho atwitwa pictures na mu wi a mama New York Police Department fo na e ka kire mo say munya basa na ye animu atem didie.
Oh, yeah, I can say, yeah, and we can agree to disagree. Then I make and say, yeah, maybe the other say, government now police can be promoted by the area. Maybe or no, baby, we just who is a government not yet, or yet a drama, a man. It's a way debate, as far as the police or ever would it. Yes, and yet, right in the beginning, no. I call on now, yes, now, and it is I see a better to you now. Thank you, the one in the idea. You then I make an idea Ghana for. You call it if we live in a democracy, yeah. So almost all your government, you're criticizing government. ama na yɛ nice ayi good ama Ghana ko mu ato wɔn yɛn koro sika yɛn fa nyɛ adeɛ a yɛkɔgye sika no si yɛde ba abɛyɛ yɛn create nnwuma ma nkɔɔfoɔ yɛn si hospitals a yɛsi a yɛ bie yɛ ndwuma a nkɔɔfoɔ pɛ adwuma yɛ nso hospital no yɛ bie yɛsi te school adan yɛn fa nkɔɔfoɔ ko sɛkɛlɛ bi housing ekuro no ho government workers ne Ghana for help workers give housing shortage sɛ deɛ sɛ ɛwɔ Ghana ɛso sɛ yɛda yi ne adeɛ nyinaa ekuro akɔyɛ ne nyɛ wɔn nti ɛno ɛna yɛkɔ hɔ a yɛkɔ akɔ demonstrate yɛasend message to government no so ɔnyɛ the right and all rising up to responsibility.
Yo, okay. Eddie na New York branch chairman of the NDC, Chairman Bafo Jewu. Yeah, there was a now freedom ana.
Me freedom, me free.
Santi Krubeso.
Me free Asante Bekwai.
Hey, Amansi Adaroman.
Amansi Prem.
Aye. Why yeah? Intia de na there was it. Or the Akasanti, yes, so Yawagana, yes, so ye press a Ghana be ye na mamonye kikiri be abibre or why?
Yo, yati the best for my advice, you know, na yaje da masi ni mo do ma pa mo.
Yo. Right. Ni enchimuna
Utie Oha Extreme Punk no.
Needs FM.